Okay, so now we're going to assemble the limit switch assembly for the Transilluminator arm. To do this, you'll need two of these beams, the two limit switch mounting plates from the XY plotter kit, two limit switches, the four small wood screws to mount the limit switches on the mounting plates, and then four 30mm M4 screws along with four M4 nuts, and then two, I think these are 16mm M4 screws. Okay, so this is slightly complicated, but I will go through it slowly. So the first thing you want to do is set these two screws aside. They're used to actually mount the assembly on the robot when it's done. So I'm going to take this beam and put it on top of this beam, okay, like that. Alright. Then I'm going to take these two screws and come through the back side, okay, like that. Okay, to make this L shape. Alright. Now, don't put the nuts on yet. We're going to put this mounting plate right here like that, and make sure that that's flush with the beam on the back side. Okay, so it should all be vertical. Alright, now you can put on the two nuts. Before you tighten it all down, make sure it's all flush. Tighten that more in a minute, but that looks good right there. Now the next step is to mount this plate. Okay, it goes right here. Alright, like that. And it doesn't really matter which side you put the screws in. I'll put them in from the back side. And again, slide this so that the end of this, okay, is flush with the beam. Right? Just like that. Okay. And tighten this down. Too far there. Okay, so once you have this made, all that's left to do is install the limit switches. Okay, the limit switches are going to go here. They're going to go on this first set this first set of 2 holes, okay? Not in the very end, but this first set of 2 holes here. Alright, just like that. And then this little screwdriver can swap out, so it's a Phillips on that end. Just going to screw that in there. Make sure these are tight, because if they wobble, your axes will move. Okay. So make sure that the holes and the plates are actually empty. They laser cut these, and sometimes the center of the hole is still in there, so you can just tap it out. So mount this one in the same way. Okay, so now that's done. Just look like that. Okay, so to mount this onto the arm, we're going to orient it this way. Okay, so this is where the arm is screwed in. Okay, I'm going to go in here, slide it up under there, and then send these 2 screws down here. Screw this in. Okay. Now you just want to verify at this point that the limit switches actually hit these bearings here when they move. So you can see here, you can hear the limit switch clicking as it reaches the bearing. Okay, that means it's good. And then we'll go over to the other side of the robot. Okay, and check the same thing. Okay, same thing. It's hitting limit switches, hitting over there. Okay.